Beginning our countdown at number 5, we have the Nintendo Switch, a console that dares to defy conventional gaming norms. The Switch's unique hybrid design allows gamers to play in 3 different modes: handheld, tabletop, and television. This versatility has made it a favorite among gamers who crave flexibility but that's not all. The Switch also boasts a vast library of exclusive games, ensuring there's something for if you're enjoying this video and want to stay updated with more gaming content. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Swooping into the 4th spot, we find the classic PlayStation 2, Sony's masterpiece, the PS2, the record for being the best-selling console of all time. It's not hard to see why. With its extensive game library, the PS2 catered to a wide range of gaming tastes. Plus, it was the first console to feature DVD playback, a groundbreaking move that transformed it from a simple gaming device into a multi-purpose entertainment hub. If you're enjoying our gaming content and want to stay up to date with all the latest info, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. There's much more where this came from. Now let's move on to the 3rd wonder on our list, the Xbox Series X. Microsoft's latest console offers raw power and speed that surpasses its predecessors and rivals. With its impressive 12 teraflops of graphics power and a custom SSD for faster load times, the Series X delivers a gaming experience that is smoother, more immersive, and more visually stunning than ever before. Advancing to the 2nd place, we encounter the PlayStation 5. Sony's latest console marvel, the PS5, is a technological titan. It features a custom SSD that provides lightning-fast load times and a controller with haptic feedback and adaptive triggers, enhancing the sensory experience of gaming. Additionally, it supports 4K graphics at 120 frames per second, offering a breathtaking visual spectacle. And finally, standing proudly at the pinnacle of our countdown, the number 1 gaming console wonder, the Nintendo Wii. The Wii revolutionized the gaming landscape with its innovative motion control system. It invited players to get off the couch and physically interact with games, making gaming a more active and engaging experience. The Wii's inclusive design and family-friendly game library have made it a beloved console across generations. Each of these consoles has left an indelible mark on the gaming industry, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and shaping the way we play. They stand as testaments to the power of innovation and creativity in the world of gaming. So, next time you pick up a controller, take a moment to appreciate the extraordinary journey of gaming consoles, from the humble beginnings to the cutting-edge wonders we enjoy today. If you've enjoyed this journey into the evolution of gaming consoles, and you're excited about the future as we are, don't forget to smash that like button. It really helps us out and lets us know that you appreciate the content. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button too. That way, you won't miss out on any of our upcoming videos exploring the fascinating world of gaming. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more exciting content.